We've got all kinds of jobs available here.
The manufacturing world has some great opportunities.
We have a lot of jobs.
We need fabricators right now.
A lot of jobs.
We need welders right now.
Tons of jobs.
Salespeople.
We are seeing an increase in manufacturing jobs.
We're always going to need somebody to support it with parts.
There are just so many opportunities.
The problem is finding the people who have the skills necessary to fill all the positions.
Smeal Fire Apparatus is a world-class manufacturer of custom fire trucks. It's a very admirable profession. Today we sell coast to coast and all across Canada.
Westpoint Implement, we provide the Case IH brand of farm equipment. We also have a number of short lines that we also provide. Westpoint Design focuses on livestock equipment and everything to deal with that.
Well, Bramer Manufacturing is a design and manufacture company. We're known for our trucks and truck equipment, our stainless steel hog feeders. And most people don't realize that we do the international with the tire recycling equipment. Kind of one of the world leaders in that area. Currently we are adding a new building on, a new addition, and we are currently at about 62 people, and we're planning on keeping on growing with that. A lot of good opportunities going on right now.
The reason why Northeast Nebraska is such a hot spot of the need for talents is because there's a lot going on.
And as a company, we intend to grow. We're taking on new dealerships across the U.S. and just planning to build more and sell more. And so we need people in order to get that done. Good people.
We really want people to consider the opportunities here in the county and the area. These companies are putting their heart and sweat and tears into their jobs and their companies, and they really want people that really want to work.
Mostly production jobs that are going to range anywhere from welding to metal fabrication to electromechanical, finished department positions, plumbing positions. As you can imagine, everything that goes on a fire truck, there's a lot of very technical components and a lot of precision craftsman work that needs to be done.
If you like working with your hands, there's a welding and there's mechanics and there's machinists and painters. But if you like computers, there's the laser operators who are programming the lasers and programming the PLCs on the computers, on the robotic welder and the plasma cutters and the press brakes. You know, if you like working in the office, there's all kinds of jobs. If you like people, you can be a receptionist, to human resources, to accounting.
You know, we're always going to need some kind of draftsman. We're always going to need some kind of managers making sure that, you know, when an order comes in that it gets fulfilled and the customer is satisfied in a given amount of time too. And it hasn't let up. We're busy with the things that we're doing, but we could take on more things if we had good people.
Part of our last year and this year's programs are how do we improve our employee skills?
Skill levels are changing. I mean, the technology that any manufacturing jobs really requires that you are continually upgrading your skills.
We've kind of run out of where do we get more employees, and so this allows us to really grow our own. So we can, take those high school students who maybe aren't destined to go to college and show them a trade, teach them a trade where they can be successful.
So whether it be somebody graduating from high school that'd like to get into the job market, or somebody who wants to, step back into the job market or has been out for a while, or they want to maybe move up, it's just a great opportunity to learn a little bit about more what the skills are that the employers are looking for.
The Manufacturing Bootcamp, I think, will allow people to kind of check and see what's available outside their box and go, maybe I'm tired of being a fabricator. Maybe I could go and learn to weld, and maybe I could do something different. And so it maybe will give them different opportunities.
It'll just make them more valuable to us, which will move them up the ladder faster.
The biggest skill that we need are people that we can rely on.
We need somebody that has the fire in their gut to come to work every day on time and then put in a good, honest day's work.